National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 45, effective until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Caldwell, Jackson, Lincoln, Washita, Union, and Wynn. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 45 has been issued until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday for the following parishes in Louisiana: Caldwell, Jackson, Lincoln, Washita, Union, and Wynn. The tornado warning for